Okay, good day, guys. So we are going to be continuing from where we stopped the last time. So basically, we'll just be opening the setup folder. And remember to change this to 4, then start. So wait for it to load completely, sure. So here's our model, and we are going to be continuing from where we stopped. So the next thing we are going to do, we are going to double click on methods and right click. So we are going to double click on method, so just click on it twice, then click on default here to ensure that everything is on the default solution. Then go to report definition, right click on it also. No, right click on it, then come to new here, go to flux report, then go to mass flow rate. So here we'll define this as mass. We're going to define it as mass flow rate. We'll click on the outlet and remember to uncheck this, then that's basically it. Click on OK, then go right click on that report definition again, come to new, then this time surface report, click on this area weighted average, change this. We are going to change that to um outlet temperature. Outlet temperature. Then you make sure you select on area weight average here. Then this click on outlet here and remember to uncheck this. Change this also to temperature because it's temperature that we need. We'll click on OK also. So the next thing we are going to be doing, we are going to click on monitor, this plus side here, then come to we'll click on residual, so just double click on it, then here where the energy is, we change it to raised to power -5, so just change that one to 5, then click on OK. So come to the initialization, double click on it also, then remember to check the hybrid initialization. Just click on initialize. So then come to run calculations. We are going to change this iteration to 2000 iterations. So for this I might need to skip some step because it's a very long process, so I'll just speed it up in the video so you don't need to see all those. So you can just click on calculate. So this basically it will load continuously here. We'll see the three different graphs that we are meant to see: the scaled residual, the mass flow rate, and the outlet temperature. So At the end of the video, I'm going to be showing it. I'll skip it from here now.
So eventually the person has completed now. But there's also add a converging value, but since we didn't get it, so we're having this value. So I think the area with the temperature, the answer is yes. So for the mass flow, this is it. For the energy, so this is the graph. And see, it's almost the same with what they have. So we'll move on now to displaying to the post display solution. So first off, we are going to come to I think graphics first. So come here, let's click on it, click on new. So this is our first contour. We can just put contour 3D. This is the 3D contour. Then come to columnar option. Come here, click on fill temperature. Okay, and click on apply, close. Make sure you click on everything also. Then change this to temperature. Remember to do that. Then just click on save display. So and just close it. As you can see, our content is the same with what they had in their drawing, their slide. So come here again, right click on it. We have three contours to show. So this click on new system as temperature. But now we are going to create a new surface that we are going to use plane. So this plane is the XY plane where the Z is 0. So click on create. That's plane 1. For plane 2, we are going to use the YZ plane. That YZ plane X is also 0. So click on create. So we can close it. So for this, we just click on this 2. And so just this plane 1 and plane 2. Then check here. I'm about to change this also to field temperature. Click on apply, close it, then click on save display. So you can see our content, the temperature contour along the X, Y and the YZ plane. So come here again, click on the contour, then click on new. So we'll be doing it on these two planes again. Then change this to velocity. Click on the column, make sure this is on velocity, click on apply close, then save and display. So we can see our velocity contour. So for the last one, let's click on vector, click on new, then I've changed this one, but you can change it based on what you like. For the vector, it's just the velocity vector that we are looking for. Remember to check this also. So that's just it, and click on the plane 1, plane 2, then click on save and like display and close it. You can see our velocity magnitude is also the same with what they add. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching.